Hello everybody, my name is AJ. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play a trumpet. Why I'm doing this is because I'm playing a trumpet in my school, and I thought it'd be a good idea to help you guys who's playing a trumpet, to help you trumpet players learn how to play trumpet. Let's go. First, I gotta do something. Yep, there. Okay. Now, how you want to do this is you want to flip these things up. By the way, I got my trumpet right here. I flip this thing down, and then this one. Then you want to lift up the gloriness. Yeah. Hold on, let's put some sound effects for that. So, first, you might see this thingy-majiggy. I call it a thingy-majiggy. Or I call it a mouthpiece. Whatever you want to call it. Oh. Okay. Next, you want to take out this trumpet. Wait, before I do that, hold on. You need to learn how to use the thingamajiggy or a mouthpiece. So, you get this mouthpiece. Let's see if you guys can do a buzzing sound. Try doing this. I got taco stain. Okay. Try making a buzzing noise. Okay. Done that. Hold on. Okay, so I gotta wipe my phone. Now get this mouthpiece. Kiss it. And blow. It's wet. Okay. Now what you gotta do is take this mouthpiece. Well, first take out your trumpet. Oh, the gloriness is so heavy. Okay. You got your trumpet. Now, where's the mouthpiece? Oh, give me the mouthpiece. And flip your trumpet like this. Like this, people. And then you see this little whatchamacaller. I'll call this a whatchamacaller. Put the thingy-majiggy in the whatchamacaller. And then just drop it in. I promise you, just drop it in. Don't just... Oh, okay. Don't just push it in. All you gotta do is just carefully. All you gotta do is just carefully. That's all you gotta do. Then you flip it upside down. It's not gonna take off. So first, I'm gonna tell you how to hold the trumpet. Hold on. Okay. So what you gotta do is you got your left hand. You put your thumb inside this U. See this U right here? You better find out on your trumpet. It's on the left side. Put your thumb in the U. Put all your fingers up here. And this one down here. If you want, then usually people do this. You put your middle finger in here. And kind of hold it like this. But I'd rather do it like this. Then I gotta hold my... I can't hold my phone while doing this. So I'm not gonna teach you these... I'll call these ringy thingy. No, the pushy whatchamacallit. No, the pushy thingies. The pushy thingies. I'm not going to teach you that today. Well, I'm not even teaching you. I'm just kind of telling you how to use it. So, you see this mouthpiece? And... Well. You do the buzzing thing in that the thingaling. And by the way, you don't want to. Oh, that was quick. You don't want to do bubble shit like. You don't want to do that. Ow. You just want to carefully do this. No bubble cheeks. And no buttons today. I'll kind of learn that later. It's gonna be it for today's video. Boy!